Hi everybody, Andy here with eTrailer.com. Let's take a real quick look at this KH33100 Heater's universal push-button ether start fluid injection system. Now this ether fuel injection system is going to give you a hassle-free way to get fast, reliable startups in cold weather, and once activated, a measured shot of ether is going to be vaporized and sent into your intake manifold. Now the vapor, as you probably know, serves as a catalyst for combustion, helping to ensure that your engine starts on the first try and even in cold temperatures. Now this system is going to connect to your battery, and it only requires 6.5 volts to operate, and because you power it on with your vehicle instead of plugging it in, this is going to be great to consider for tractors, logging equipment, and other vehicles and machinery that can't be parked close to an outlet. So once this system is installed, there's going to be nothing else that you really need to do to maintain the system other than change out the fuel canister that's obviously not included with this. And this is going to, the canister will probably need to be swapped out after about 200 startups. This system is designed to work with an 18-ounce canister of ether fast flash fuel. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to trigger the ether start fuel injection system by pushing this included button that's going to install in the cab of your vehicle as you crank the engine. And unlike an automatic system, this manual system is going to give you more control, allowing you to choose precisely when to administer the ether. And a thermostat is included to ensure that the ether will only be injected in conditions that call for it. So when you press the button in your cab, an electric current is sent to the ether starts thermostat. And if the ambient temperature is above 50 degrees Fahrenheit, then your engine should turn over normally with no ether being dispensed. If it falls below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, the electrical current will continue to the actuating valve assembly right here, where the ether will be released from the fuel canister into a separate metering chamber. Now this chamber does meter out 5 to 6 cc's of liquid ether, and then it disperses it through the nozzle. And the nozzle's built-in filter is going to vaporize the ether, which is then injected into the intake manifold as a vapor instead of a stream. For the most effective and smoothest start, you want to install this system so that the nozzle orifice is perpendicular to the manifold length. And this also includes 3 different nozzles to achieve the spray orientation needed for virtually any size of engine. And so this kit includes everything that you see here on my table before me. Again, that push button switch, the 3 spray nozzles, the engine block thermostat that we've been talking about, the actuator valve assembly, and then the mounting plate with the clamps for the canister. And then you're going to get some 16 gauge wire here. This is right about 12 feet long, I believe, with terminals and the ring terminals and butt connectors as well. Then you're going to get the hardware to install that mounting plate and hose. And so in case you were wondering, let me retrieve my ruler here real quick and give you the measurement of the plate. So it looks like we're sitting pretty close to 12 inches tall, yeah, right at a foot tall. And then looking at the width of the plate, right at 4 inches. Well, I think that's going to wrap up our real quick look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.